Sup YouTube, Color the Freak 78. I bet I try again. I know I haven't made any videos lately. Sorry about that. I've been busy. One time. Yesterday I wasn't home, so I've been busy. Last week I went to my friend's house. So as you can see, I was sort of busy. I just got back home 2 days ago. No. I've been home for a week. I haven't making any videos, so I have a chance to get on the computer, so this is my free time to make my video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Can you please subscribe to my channel? Because mostly I haven't got any views from anyone, so I kind of need help. I know it's because I haven't been making any YouTube videos, but I'm gonna start. Okay, I promise you I'm gonna start making YouTube videos for you guys. Okay, franchise a cool like on me to make some videos for you guys too. And some of you guys probably don't know my username at all, but my username is TooSmooth78 on Xbox 360 and Broken Kings 12 on PS3. Okay, hope appreciate if you add me from my homie friend cool and stuff. The last video I think I made from MW2 gameplay to have watch. That's the last video for me. Okay. So yeah. So that's to say, so peace out guys, and see you guys later. Peace.